Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse image search on Pinterest. So you're going to go to the search button here, then you're going to select the camera button up here. Select your camera, or you can select photos from your gallery, which I'm going to do. Then I'm just going to select an image that I want to reverse search on Pinterest, maybe this food here. And it's going to search like similar photos like that. And that is pretty much how you can reverse image search on Pinterest. It's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Bye.